Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure. Let's get started. Open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, locate and open the desired music track or playlist that you want to listen to offline. Once you've selected the music or playlist, tap on the download icon to initiate the download process. After the download is complete, head back to the Home tab of the Spotify app. Now, look for the settings icon, which resembles a gear, located in the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, navigate to the playback section and find the option labeled offline mode. Enable the offline mode by tapping on it. Return to the main screen of the app and go to your library, where you will find all your downloaded music and playlists. Now let's discuss about desktop version of Spotify. Open the Spotify app on your desktop. Next, find and open the music track or playlist you want to listen to offline. Once you've made your selection, click on the download icon to initiate the download process. After the download is complete, return to the Home tab of the Spotify app. Now, look for the three dots icon situated in the top left corner of your screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, navigate to the File section and select Offline Mode. That's it. Congratulations, you can now enjoy listening to your favorite music or playlist offline without needing an internet connection. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.